Hey y'all, welcome to a new edition of what I wore this week. So for the next 7 days, I'm going to be showing you guys all my outfits, everything I'm wearing. Today is Monday. Happy Monday, you guys. I don't know when you're going to watch this, but it's Monday for me. And I am really excited because I'm about to go to a new job celebration lunch. You know, I don't need an excuse to get dressed up, but when I have something like that, it just makes me feel even more in the mood to put on a cute outfit. So I wanted to wear this corset top, which I think is super pretty with the floral motif on here, the tie back, and I want to keep this look pretty light. So I'm pairing this top with cream balloon pants. I wear these pants so much. They're so comfortable. I love the fit, the pleating on it, and then I'm gonna go with this bag. I think it goes nice with the color scheme. And also I just really enjoy wearing this bag because of the braided handle. Throw this bag on and it instantly makes me look way more interesting. All right, dressed and ready to go. 2 chunky bangles for some extra flair. I put on these glasses and these are pretty clear so I can wear them indoors and not look crazy. I feel really dainty. I kind of feel like a milkmaid because I got the braids and I got this little floral motif on. For my shoes, I just went with this clear, you know, really simple heel. And yeah, I'm about to go to the lunch and I will see you guys for tomorrow's outfit. Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. I'm about to get dressed for the day. I am taking my son to his sports activity. So I figured it would be really cool to dress up some basketball shorts. I got these basketball shorts from the men's section actually, from Forever 21. And I'm gonna pair this with this mustard blazer with my mustard shorts. I think it'll go really well. This white sports bra, I'm just gonna wear this underneath the blazer. I want to layer on a little bit of texture. So I'm going to go with this snake print bag, and then for my shoes I'm just wearing these flats. So that's what I'm thinking for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and I'll show y'all what it looks like all on. All right guys, so this is the look. I love this burnt yellow mustard color. Anytime I see clothes that are this color, I'm always drawn to it because it just speaks to me so much. So I'm really amped that this blazer that I got from Zara matches perfectly with these basketball shorts that I got from Forever 21. And I like adding girly touches to a masculine piece like basketball shorts. Mixing styles, mixing moods is really cool. And of course with the bag, I like to add some prints into my outfits whenever I can. These flats actually have padding on the insole, which is great because some flats, they're super flat, no arch support or anything, and it makes it uncomfortable to wear, but these feel like I'm walking on clouds, so I appreciate that. And I have these yellow tinted glasses to carry on with the color scheme. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. I feel really cute and comfortable in it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all. So today, I really don't have any major plans. I'm going to the grocery store. I have to go to pick up some packages, just like mundane type of things. But I still want to look cute because you know what? It's those times when you're like, I'm not doing much. Let me just run out real quick and throw on anything. Those are the times where somebody spots you. It's inevitable. It's like, of all the days, you have to catch me slipping. You never know who you're gonna run into. So today I am still keeping it casual though. Wide leg, these, I call these my jogger jeans because they remind me of jogger pants, and I love how slouchy and just relaxed of a fit they are. And then I'm going with a denim on denim look because I've been really into that lately. So I'm pairing it with this sleeveless denim jacket. I get questions on this jacket every time I wear it. It's years old, from Forever 21. I tried to see if they still carry it because aren't they going out of business or something? I tried to see if they still carry it. I couldn't find this exact one, but I'll link some options below. And then for my bag, I'm going with this one because I like a pop of print. These pants are pretty long on me, so I'm pairing them with these baby heels. I feel like on camera, the heel looks higher than it actually is. It's probably a 2-inch heel, but these are great because they're gonna give me enough height, whereas though I'm not gonna be tripping over the ends of my pants. And also the heel is so low that the shoes are very comfortable. And then these clear glasses, I wear these a lot. All right, so this is the look. This outfit makes me feel really cool and kind of edgy with the distressing on the shoulders, the wide leg slouchy pants, and it's very comfortable too, which I love. With these shoes, it feels like I'm not even wearing a heel. And yeah, so this is the look of the day. I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, happy Thursday. Today we are going to this, I guess you can call it like a community event, something that is being held in my area. It's supposed to be like 90 degrees today, and this is an outdoor event. And this might sound crazy, but I'm basing my outfit around this skirt, like a leather-like material. I don't know exactly what it's made out of. It might not be very breathable, and I might be sweaty in this, but hopefully I'll be fine. And then I'm pairing it with this black muscle tee with shoulder pads in it. And then for my shoes, I'm going with these flat studded sandals, slouchy carry-all right here. All right, here's the outfits. I think it flows really well, and I'm glad that I have this big bag because I don't know exactly what the food situation is going to be there. My options may be limited, so I'm definitely going to carry like some bottled water in here, some snacks, just to make sure that I'm covered. This bag definitely comes in handy. And yeah, pretty simple, not too fussy of an outfit. This is what I'm wearing today, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, TGIF. A really chill day today. I just have some errands running around to do, so nothing too crazy, nothing major. I'm gonna be wearing these, are they called jogger pants? What are these? Wide leg, high rise, elastic waist. We always love that. So really good for being out and about, running errands. Gonna pair it with this cropped trench, and then to go with the color scheme, this snake bag. Keeping it simple with this black flat. Underneath this jacket, I'm gonna put on a little like bralette. So that's the outfit mood board for today. This outfit is really giving me super cool mom. It's something about a trench coat, or in my case, a cropped trench jacket that always just makes me feel so sophisticated, elegant, refined. I'm loving it, I'm loving it, I'm loving it. And of course, this light color scheme is very appropriate for summertime. Now, I know wearing a long sleeve jacket might not be summertime-esque, because today I believe it's going to be like 91, 92 degrees. So some may say that this is not like a summertime outfit, but yo, a lot of times I'll be disregarding the weather, especially if I'm not going to be actively outside, if I'm going to just be going from my car to a building, stuff like that. It's all air conditioned, so I don't really trip too much. So a lot of times I don't necessarily dress so much for the weather. It's about the mood, what I want to feel, and what I want to wear. And why did the sun just go out? It's like, who turned out the lights? Is it coming back? Is it coming back? I think it is. Come on, come on, come on. So yeah, anyway, sometimes you just gotta do it for the look. And then I put these tortoise rimmed glasses on. So there we have it, outfit of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey y'all, it is actually Monday. I did not film the past 2 days, so I'm here today to give y'all my outfits of the weekend. So first up, I wore this to go just walking around. We also grabbed some lunch at a Mexican restaurant. So, you know, not doing too much. Very laid back. But so this is the outfit that I wore. I had on this top. I love how it flows like this. It goes to one side. I bought this top so long ago, I don't even remember how long ago it was. I want to say maybe like 8, 9, 10 years. I believe I got it from Karmaloop. If y'all remember Karmaloop, please let me know. And I've just held on to it throughout the years because it's even great for layering underneath a sweater or some type of like a bigger shirt to add some dimension. So yeah, I really love this top. I'll probably never let go of it. I wore just a simple white bandeau underneath. And for my bottoms, I went with my trusty jeans here that I wore earlier in the week. My wide leg slouchy jeans. I went with this bag and I added this scarf to it to bring in some print, some color. I love the relaxed look, the asymmetrics of it all, and it was very appropriate for the day. Now for Sunday, the original plan was to have a nice dinner somewhere, but that plan didn't quite work out. So Sunday's outfit, I actually didn't even get a chance to wear it, but I'm going to show you what I had planned for that if I would have gone to dinner. However, I will be wearing this outfit probably this week. Whenever I go out to eat, I'll probably just put this outfit on since I've already had it ready. So I have this fluttery purple top. I love the crinkly pleating on the bodice. That top with this cream skirt, it has a slit in the front. And then I have this really fun statement bag. Just plays off really well with this lavender color. And then for my shoes, I just planned on wearing these flats again to, you know, have that comfort, but also stylization because I love the little ballies on it. And this outfit, when I put it on, I think it's the ruffling of the shoulders. It makes me feel very girly, very flirty, just very carefree. So I love this look. And like I said, I will definitely be rocking this in the upcoming days because I already put it together and it needs to be worn. So yeah, guys, those are my outfits of this past week. I hope you enjoyed the looks. I will have all outfit information down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye.